Yes, you probably know that me and my cat have like a really strong connection, and I recently did a lot of traveling, and I kind of missed him a lot. Albus is almost like an emotional support animal for me, and it was tough not seeing him every day. I got this necklace, and it has something really cool inside, and I want to show you. Okay. And honestly, I don't even know how they do this. I found it somewhere on Instagram, and I thought it was really cool, so I had to get it. So you want to take the necklace, and you'll put it up to your front-facing camera, and you should see, there he is!